Now SQL Server runs as a set of 4 services, the first of which is MS SQL Server. That is the service that you normally associate with a database. It handles file management, query processing, and data integrity. Another service, DTC, which stands for Distributed Transaction Coordinator, handles all multi-database transactions. SQL Server Agent, that we're going to see in great detail, handles all the jobs and the alerts and the operators. These are going to help you make your life as a DBA much easier by predefining jobs to do routine maintenance tasks. The search service also comes with SQL Server and allows you to build full-text catalogs and full-text indexes and do word-aware searching with SQL Server. It's important to note that SQL Server, which runs as a service, can come up and run on its own even if no one is logged into the machine on which SQL Server is running. Each service runs under its own NT login or under its own security structure. What we are going to do when we install SQL Server is actually create a domain login and a password and assign that domain and login and password to each one of these services. SQL Server is powerful and scalable and supports up to 32,000 user connections and huge databases and up to 64 gig of SQL Server memory. Now that is once Windows 2000 Data Center Server and SQL Server 2000 Enterprise with the advanced windowing extensions becomes available. Other versions of SQL Server have lower memory limits. SQL Server allows us to administer it from our desktop. We can administer all of these servers in the enterprise. It has new self-tuning features, and SQL Server can support up to 32 processors.